Welcome to Beanie Chef. Today we're making puff pastry crowns. These are so easy to do and versatile that you can literally add whatever you like into them. In the pan we're going to just mount equal quantities of butter and add to that plain flour and combine these together to form what is known as a roux. On a low heat, just mix the flour and the butter together and cook it out on the stove for a couple of minutes until it's all combined and thickened up. Now slowly add your milk and make sure that's all combined before you add any more. This way your sauce is lump free and becomes nice and glossy. When your mixture's all combined and is nice and smooth, then you can add your spice. We're using a harissa spice, but this is a chance for you to experiment with whatever you fancy. Once the spice has been mixed in, I turn the heat off and then I add some grated cheese. The heat from the pan at this stage will be enough to combine all your cheese into the mixture. Put it into a separate dish and leave it to one side. We are adding courgette, pepper and mushroom into ours today, and these are just roughly diced up. This recipe is so versatile, you can literally put whatever you fancy into it. So you could try just plain ham and cheese, herbs, vegetables, really it's down to you what you choose to put in them. In the pan that we use to make our roux, lightly saute the mushrooms and then add the peppers and the courgette. I just cook my vegetables for a couple of minutes as I like to keep them crunchy. I also find this is a great way to get children to eat fresh vegetables. Add all your mixture to the roux base now, so if you're going to do ham and cheese, I would be adding my diced ham to the mixture now. Thoroughly mix this together and then either use a piping bag or a spoon for transferring it onto the puff pastry. We are just using shop bought puff pastry sheets as this is so convenient. One tip is make sure you take it out of the fridge for a good 10 minutes before you use it, otherwise if it's too cold it has a tendency to crack. I'm cutting this into 15 small squares as I find this is ideal for a snack size, but if you want to do it for a main course then you can always make the squares larger. The mixture then just gets piped or spooned into the centre of each square. We are putting a little bit of onion marmalade on the top of ours just to enhance the flavours. Take each corner of each square and just fold them into the centre until you've got a shape that resembles like a parcel. Gently push them down with your fingers. Once complete, place them on a baking tray with parchment paper and put them in the fridge just to set. Meanwhile, crack an egg and add a bit of salt and just leave this sitting ready for egg washing. We are adding some cumin seeds to complement the harissa spice. Let us know what you've added to yours. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and until next time, enjoy.